Global software majors will meet Pranab Mukherjee in Washington later today to object to his budget proposal to tax software as royalty. But top FinMin sources say there is no question of a rollback of this provision. In fact, a clarification will be issued when the finance bill is taken up for discussion. Mrinalini Krishna joins us with more details on this particular story. Mrinalini.
Well, what we are picking up from sources is the fact that global software companies are likely to meet with the Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee in Washington today to express their concern and oppose one of his tax proposals in the budget. Now, this proposal pertains to the taxation of royalty paid to software companies for the use of their software in India. Now, what we are also being given to understand is that this tax is expected to be a component of the royalty, and this is something that companies are not very comfortable with, which is why they are opposing this tax. What top finance ministry sources also tell us is that there is unlikely going to be a rollback in this proposal, even though there's a lot of cases of litigation that are going on. There was a case a short while ago where a mutual assessment process was undertaken between India, US and a US-based software major, where the US had conceded that India was right in taxing the royalty of the US-based software company. So this is one reason why there's going to be unlikely a rollback in this proposal. But what we can expect is a clarification on this issue with the finance bill itself.